बेटा दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, यू मेक इट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ओके, इसको 2 नहीं लिखिएगा. तो उस हिसाब से हियर इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. सो योर क्वेश्चन विल बी 7 questions. Today I am giving you 7 questions. Everyone on your video. Sanskar, Piyush. Yes, मैंने पहले बता दिया है. Please keep it mind that you have to write question number 2 as question number 1. Okay, Sanskar, but complete. I want complete work. First question I am reading. The ruminants such as buffaloes, cow, swallow their food hurriedly and then sit restfully and chew their food. Can you say why? Reason is this is done for the digestion of the food. When the food is swallowed by ruminants, it is only partially digested. It is then again chewed for its completed digestion. Okay. Yashita.
मैम ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन का जो लास्ट वर्ड है आंसर का कंप्लीट डाइजेशन, मैम ये दो डिफरेंट वर्ड्स है ना?
हाँ, ये दो अलग वर्ड्स हैं, वो स्पेस की वजह से ऐसे आ गया है.
ओके मैम.
ओके. पार्थ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मैंने नहीं दिखाया है. यू हैव टू राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एज 1. ये आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, थर्ड विल बी सेकंड क्वेश्चन. तो आपको एक नंबर पीछे लिखकर इन क्वेश्चंस को चलना है, ठीक है? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नॉट ऑफ योर सिलेबस, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव नॉट गिवन इट. इसी को आप 1 डालोगे. Second question, what is ORS? When is it given? ORS stand for oral rehydration solution. It is given when body loses lot of water, such as in diarrhea. This is the second question. Now, the third question, name the organs involved in the digestion of food in human. So the organs involved in the digestion are mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, small intestine, gallbladder, large intestine. In which part of the human digestive system are bacteria present in the food killed? Explain how. It is same. Esophagus, food pipe is same. ठीक है, तो bacteria in food are killed in stomach. The inner lining of stomach secretes hydrochloric acid, digestive juices, which kill the bacteria in food. Fifth question, why we cannot digest cellulose like the cattle do? Because cattle is grass-eating animal that contains cellulose, and human beings cannot have certain enzymes or bacteria to digest cellulose. What is the difference between human digestive system and alimentary canal? Digestive system of human beings consists of an alimentary canal and associated glands, while alimentary canal has mouth, esophagus, small intestine, stomach, large intestine and anus. Question number 8. What is the various steps involved in digestion process? So the answer is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So first you will do for second question, then I will move on to the question number 3rd. Everyone finished? Raise hand only. Don't write in chat. जिसका third finished है, just raise hand. Yes, Adi. Yes.
Ma'am, question number 5 done of
Completed.
question number 6.
Okay. So here you have this 8th answer. Means, according to you, the number is 7th. Complete 7 questions. Yes, Divi.
मैम मैंने आपको पीडीएफ भेज दिया।
Finished?
यस मैम, मैं पीडीएफ भेज भी दिया मैम आपको।
Okay, thank you, Divi.
वेलकम।
Okay, Yashita. Good. Today I have given very small questions. Next period you will get the 3 marks and 5 marks question. Yes, yes. Okay, Yashita. Those who have completed, make PDF, write your name and class, and then you can leave. On the PDF, write your name and class. Yes, Parsh. Yes, Parsh.
मैम मैंने वो आपको पीडीएफ भेज दिया।
Good. Yes, Parth. Those who have completed, they can leave. How many of you are still writing question number 7 and 8 of this page? According to you, it is 6th and 7th. How many of you are writing 7th and 8th? Piyush, Rishabh, okay. Adi, you are in which lesson, which question? Just tell me from fingers. Tell me from fingers. 7th, okay. Okay, 8th, okay. ठीक है. Deshna, you? 8th, okay. ठीक है. Yes, Piyush?
Ma'am, I am in 8th question.
अच्छा ठीक है. ऋषभ?
Ma'am, 8th question.
Okay. Yes, Rishabh.
मैम कंप्लीटेड मैम, बस सेकंड आंसर आधा आधा ही लिखा, आधा बचा है.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो मैं तुमको 3-4 मिनट्स के बाद सेकेंड आंसर एक बार और दिखा दूंगी. ठीक है. लेट्स अदर्स कंप्लीट. आदि फिनिश्ड? ओके. Made PDF, write your name and class, and there are 2 Adi Jain, तो ID also, but on the PDF में लिखना है आपने. ठीक. So Rishabh, this is the second answer. Write it. Okay, Rishabh. I know many of you are not writing, just wasting your time. और एग्जाम जब आएगा उसके बाद फिर मांगोगे कॉपी एक दूसरे फ्रेंड से. ठीक, देशना फिनिश्ड. देशना, जिया, वेदांत. Yes, Deshna.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Vedant is writing.
Ma'am, I am Vedant.
Okay, Vedant is writing. Okay. Deshna.
Ma'am, I have sent it to you.
Okay, with name and class.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Vedant, can you tell me you are in which question? Which question?
Ma'am, now I am fourth.
बाप रे, मतलब you joined very late.
Yes, ma'am, I have late today. Ma'am, I am writing fast now. I will send you after class only.
Okay, so here you have only 5 minutes left, na? So write down the fast, or you take a screenshot. You have to complete this in 5 minutes. Yes, Deshna.
Ma'am, by mistake. Sorry.
Okay. Yes, Piyush.
Ma'am, I also send with class and name.
Okay, thank you, Piyush. Yes, Deshna. Okay, Vedant, you can take a screenshot. Okay.